Hello, good morning students. Children, do you recognize him? Yes, already I have shown this picture to you, isn't it? In the story Magic Vessels. We also discussed the story of Tenali Raman, how he was very wise and witty and he was able to teach his villagers a lesson. Children, as you know, he is Tenali Raman and this is King Krishnadev Rai. Okay, King Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar. He was the king of South India. Vijayanagar is in South India. And he was, Tenali Raman was in this king's court. In the olden days, children, you must have seen Raja Ke Darbar, where the king sits with all his ministers and people who assist him in his work of ruling the country. They are actually gestures also in the court who are wise people who help the king in solving many problems in a very humorous way. And one such famous gesture, who doesn't know, is Birbal, isn't it? You all have read the stories of Akbar and Birbal. I'll just show you these stories. You must all have read Akbar and Birbal. There are many story books of Akbar and Birbal in our school library too. And this book is mine. You can have a look after you come back. Okay, there are many. This Birbal was in King Akbar's court. And King Akbar was a great Mughal emperor in the medieval period of. Now this talking about Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was in the court of King Krishnadev Rai. He was the king of Vijayanagar, and Vijayanagar is a South Indian kingdom. Now, Tenali Raman was very famous for his witty remarks. He used to talk to people in a very humorous way, also very in an intelligent way, where people used to, they were dumbstruck when he used to tell them something. And he was very wise, he had a presence of mind. What is presence of mind? Means immediately some problem or a question he was able to answer in a very wise way. Okay, so this is a book I have on Tenali Raman. As you also, this is also a very some famous stories of Tenali Raman and he was very witty, he was very intelligent, and the stories of Tenali Raman everybody likes, though he was quite hundreds of years back in 16th century. Now we are in 21st century. So he was giving the date back to the beginning of the 16th century, and he with his intelligence, sheer intelligence, he was wise and presence of mind, and he brought justice. Many a times the king was in a trouble and he could not take the decision. It was either Birbal for Akbar or Tenali Raman for King Krishnadev Rai, that they helped them to bring justice to the people. Okay, so this is all about Tenali Raman. Already we have done the story of Magic Vessels. You remember we discussed that Tenali Raman's daughter's marriage, and they decided to celebrate in a grand way, and after the harvesting season they got the crops and they got the money, and so they decided to call all the villages and even singers in a grand way they wanted to celebrate. But just before the marriage, the wife of Tenali Raman had problem. She said that they don't have such big vessels for cooking because they have invited many guests. So they decided to borrow vessels from their neighbors and with other villagers, and the villagers, they gave their pots and pans and bowls and everything to Tenali Raman. And Tenali Raman, after the marriage was over, he decided to show his gratitude. Gratitude means he wanted to thank the people who had helped him. So he decided to give a gift in return, like you give return gifts sometimes on your birthdays, where the guests who come to your birthday, because you want to show your gratitude or you want to say thank you. So he decided to give a small sized pots or a vessel or whatever they have given, pans and all that. So he went to everybody's house and gave, and one of them asked that why you are giving this. He said, no, because he is witty, he did not answer straight away that I want to give you as a return gift or I want to show my gratitude. He said, your pots and pans have given birth to a baby. So the villagers thought, why should we say no? We are happy to receive such another vessel, and it is good that we have a smaller one. So they all accepted the gift and they kept it. So next time, when the second daughter's marriage, when Tenali Raman again went asking the people for the pots and pans and vessels, and they readily gave, and this time they gave silver things, because they thought that if they give silver pots and pans and vessels, they will get in return again a smaller one in silver, and silver is costlier than your other metal. So they all gave, but time passed by and he did not return anybody their vessels. So the villagers went to the king to complain. At that time, like nowadays we go to the police station for any complaint. They went to the king for the complaint, and the king called Tenali Raman and said, is it true that you have taken the vessels and you did not return? He said, yes. But then why you did not return? He said, those pots and pans and vessels which I borrowed from my neighbors and villagers, they all died. Then everybody was stunned, everybody was surprised. How could a pot or a pan, they don't have lives, these vessels or utensils, they don't have lives. How could they die? Then the king was quite annoyed, and he understood that he has done something wrong and the villagers were right to complain. Then he asked, how you can say that? He said that, see, Jahapana, when in the first daughter's marriage, I returned the vessels with another vessel telling that your utensils have given birth to babies, they accepted it. So now the pots and pans have died. So then the king asked the villagers, did you say like this? Did you accept the gift and saying that it is a baby? Then they said yes. They nodded their heads and they said yes. So Tenali Raman said, I wanted to teach my villagers a lesson. They are becoming greedy. Because the second time when I asked for, they gave me silver utensils because they wanted that costly vessels. So that's why I wanted to teach them lesson. All those utensils are lying with me, and this is why I said something wrong, because it is that I wanted to teach them justice should be done. So all the villagers hung their head and they understood that they made a mistake, and they went away, and the king laughed and said, oh, okay, you have done another good thing. Okay, so let us discuss some of the questions given in your textbook. And the first question says that, whom did Tenali invite for the wedding feast? As you all know, Tenali invited all the villagers for the wedding feast. Feast is dawat, when you go and eat in somebody's house for some marriage or function or some celebration. Number 2, what upset Tenali a week before the wedding? Tenali was upset because they did not have large vessels for cooking for all the villagers, because they have to cook dishes for all the villagers. They did not have such large vessels. Third one, why did Tenali gift his neighbors a small vessel each. Tenali gifted a small vessel each, or gifted to all the villagers a small vessel each, because he wanted to show his gratitude towards them. Okay. Number 4, why did the villagers lend Tenali silver vessels at this his second wedding? The villagers became very greedy. They wanted a smaller silver vessel when Tenali would return after the marriage. So they lent silver vessels to Tenali Raman. Number 5, why did the villagers go to the king? The villagers went to the king because they wanted justice from the king, because Tenali did not return their silver vessels. Number 6, did the king give a judgment in favor of the villagers? No, the king did not give judgment in the favor of villager. What is the judgment? Because judgment was that Tenali has not done anything wrong. Villagers were greedy and they had done something wrong, because they gave the silver vessels expecting that he would give another gift to them. Number 7, was Tenali able to teach the villagers a lesson? Yes, Tenali was able to teach villagers a lesson. They understood their mistake. And write 2 qualities of the king. What are the 2 qualities of the king? The king was very just, because he did not give any wrong judgment, and the king is very humorous also. He enjoyed, he had a laugh afterwards. Okay, so these are the 2 qualities of the king. I hope you would read the lesson thoroughly and do the question answers. Okay, thank you children.